Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to enable push notification on Facebook. Why would you want to know how to enable push notification on Facebook? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook and not sure how to enable push notification on Facebook. So today I am going to show you how to enable push notification on Facebook. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Enabling push notification on Facebook is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will enable push notification on Facebook. First of all, open Facebook app in your device, and now here is my Facebook home screen. Now first click on three lines in the right top corner and now scroll down to the bottom of this page and then click on settings and privacy, and now click on settings, and then in this screen click on notification, and then scroll down this page and click on push, and now click on turn on push notification, and then click on toggle button, and Facebook push notification has been turned on. So there you go. If you were wondering how to enable push notification on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.